Welcome back, YouTube, after 3 years. I don't know, yeah, it's been 3 years since I've posted my last vlog, and I've not been consistent or whatever. I just woke up today, randomly decided that I thought I'd make a YouTube video just to see how things go. And yeah, welcome back again. Just needed some coffee to kickstart the day. It's some nice, good Chikmangla coffee from our estate in Chikmangla. Yeah, so I thought I'd get a beard trim because my beard's looking very shabby. Need to get it trimmed a little bit. I think you guys know Dhanush, aka Danny. He was there in one of my earlier vlogs. I think you've probably forgotten him because I was not very consistent with YouTube. Yeah, but I'll show him to you in a while. Hit back in biceps with him today, but if he's going out, then no. So yeah, did legs yesterday, and this is how my legs are looking today. Pretty sick. Yeah, this is without a pump or anything. Morning physique update. Okay guys, here's Danny. We just got done with our trim. Looking good.
Looking good.
Danny's trim also. Coming to the gym, Danny?
Yeah, bro. Hitting the gym.
What are you hitting today?
Chest and triceps, bro. Favorite day. Chest day, best day.
You'll come with me? Back bicep today.
Yeah, bro. What is that?
Flex your arm, bro. Crazy it looks. Flex it crazy, huh? Danny looking big, boys. Yes. Looking small. No, like you can do back and shoulder also, bro. It's crazy.
Yeah,
Thinking if I should do back and shoulder because I haven't hit shoulder in a while.
I do legs and shoulders. Two big muscles. So it'll take time.
Leg day, just do it alone, bro. Why do you want to include some other muscle or whatever?
But 3 muscles in one day, that might, I don't know, maybe tire your muscle, maybe too much for a day. 2 muscles in a day is perfect.
Fun fact, Danny was the one who introduced me to the gym.
And he's bigger than me now.
Cheers to him. You know, bro, look at that.
Let's go.
Yeah, kind of, but yeah, we
Started the same gym.
Yeah, we started going to the same gym like what 5 years back.
Yeah.
But Danny wasn't as consistent as me.
Then COVID
hit, and then I don't know. But he still goes to the gym now. You go every day, no? Now.
Yeah.
And
From 2 years, consistent.
Yeah, and even I go every day, but yeah, we don't do meal prep, counting calories, all that. We don't do.
We don't calculate.
We just live for fun. We don't intend to compete in any bodybuilding shows or whatever.
But we try to eat healthy as much as possible.
Yeah, listen to him. But I've competed in a few powerlifting events.
That is there.
For fun. Yeah, that's about it. Need to get better at it. But I'm trying to do a big mix of both bodybuilding and powerlifting. And he lifts for fun.
Yeah.
Even I do for fun.
Lift.
Yeah.
Flex.
Crazy. And bro,
Just look good naked. That's why you work out.
Bad news, guys. Danny is not coming to the gym today. He said he has some work.
Yeah. So I'll be going later to some other gym. So probably next week.
Yeah, he said he'll hit a session with me next week. I planned back and biceps with him. But since he's not coming, I'll just do a little bit of back, shoulder, and maybe a little bit of bicep. Yeah, that's about it.
Yeah. See you guys. See you next week.
See you, Danny. Any advice you want to give to them?
Eat well, work out well, sleep well. That's it.
Show them your gains, bro.
That's it.
Yeah.
Let's
Guns. Big man, big guns. See you next week, bro.
go. See you.
Bye, bro. See you.
See you guys.
Feeling sad that he's going. Okay, this iced latte is made from oat milk. There's no particular reason for this. I just chose the oat milk option because I usually drink coffee with regular milk and I've just gotten bored of it. And oat milk slaps with coffee, so yeah, why not? And I'm just gonna drink this before the gym. Heading to the gym, I'm gonna do a little bit of back, shoulder, and biceps. Let's see how the crowd is. I hope it's not too crowded. I had to come to Cult Fit today because I had some other work. And yeah, if it's not too crowded, I get some good workout in.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, 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 won't you let the light shine through?
So I just got done with my gym workout and I couldn't record much because the gym was very overcrowded and I just didn't feel like recording because I didn't get the vibe today. It's really overcrowded and it wasn't such a great workout. Yeah, so in the next video vlog I'll record a proper back and bicep video or a chest and tricep video, and probably legs next week. Okay, so I got a good workout done. I got a good pump, but I just couldn't record too much because I said it was overcrowded and I just didn't feel like recording today. So maybe some other day. Okay, for dinner there's some wild boar, eggs, red rice and dal, chicken tikka and some onions. Yeah. Banger dinner. So I just got done with my dinner. I had some good wild boar, eggs, malai, chicken tikka, dal and red rice. Yeah, it was good. Meal filled with high protein. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. If you're still here, thanks for watching. I'm still new to this platform, so it would be nice if you guys help me out. Just give me some inputs on what videos I should create or whatever, and yeah, just subscribe or whatever. As I said, I'm still new to this platform, so just let me know in the comments on what to do or how to go about my videos or vlogs. That would be really helpful. And yeah, thanks again for watching. See you in the next vlog.